Hello friends, welcome to आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत 10th क्लास इंग्लिश लेसन नंबर 3.2 अ लेसन इन लाईफ फ्रॉम अ बेगर या लेसनचा वर्कशॉप. त्यासाठी व्हिडिओला शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच पहा आणि तुम्ही जर चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब केले नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा. सोबतच बाजूची बेल आयकॉन क्लिक करून ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ओके करून द्या. So let's start the video. Question number first. Complete the following table. खालील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. Utterance. Who said to whom? कोण कोणास म्हणाले. इथे काही वाक्य दिले आहे ते कोण कोणास म्हणाले हे सांगायचे आहे. श्वेता is a very beautiful girl, isn't she? The writer said to Meena, when a pony is young, he looks handsome. Meena said to the writer, it's a beautiful day. The writer said to Meena, no, the sun is too hot. Meena said to the writer, I am excited. It's nice to meet old friend. The Meena said to the writer, it's chart. Meena said to the writer, we won't get a taxi in this rain. The writer said to Meena, then what's the secret for your energy? The writer said to Meena, a beggar changed my life. Meena said the writer. अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इथे आपला कंप्लीट झाला आहे. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर राईट और रॉंग. करेक्ट रॉंग वन्स. खालील विधाने बरोबर आहेत की नाही ते सांगा आणि चुकीचे दुरुस्त करून लिहा. A. The author and Meena were great enemy. लेखक आणि मीना हे मोठे शत्रू होते. Answer wrong. Correct sentence. The author and Meena were good friends. B. Meena was a very cheerful person initially. मीना सुरुवातीला खूप आनंदी होती. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence. Meena was forever unhappy. C. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Delhi. मीना दिल्लीतील एका अपार्टमेंटमध्ये एकटीच राहिली. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Mumbai. D. Meena was the second child of her parents. मीना हे तिच्या पालकांचे दुसरे अपत्य होते. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence. Meena was the only child for her parents. E. The author stopped Meena at Bombay's Flora Fountain. लेखकाने मीनाला बॉम्बेच्या फ्लोरा फाउंटन मध्ये पाहिले. Answer right. F. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was a lot of traffic. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. G. The screen of the beggar and the girl made Meena peep into her own life. भिकारी आणि तरुण मुलगी दृश्य मीनाला बनवले तिच्या स्वतःच्या आयुष्यात डोकावतो. Answer right. H. The beggar become Meena's role model. भिकारी मीनाचा आदर्श बनला. Answer right. I. It's took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. मीनाला बदल करायला जवळपास 2 वर्ष लागली. Answer right. Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence: Meena gave Guru Dakshina indirectly by sponsoring his granddaughter to a boarding school. अशा प्रकारे मित्रांनो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इथे कंप्लीट झाला आहे. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेन्स. वाक्य पूर्ण करण्यासाठी योग्य पर्याय निवडा. A. Meena, who is an LIC officer, is a pessimistic person. B. The writer was standing near Akbar Ali's, a popular department store, because she was waiting for rain to stop. C. The only thought in the writer's mind till they reached the Grand Hotel was what had brought about such a change in Meena. D. Meena sponsored the granddaughter of the beggars because it was a token of respect for the beggar. अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपला इथे कंप्लीट झाला आहे. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Who did the beggars change Meena's attitude? Discuss with your partner and complete the following web. भिकाऱ्याने मीनाची मनोवृत्ती कशी बदलली? चर्चा करा तुमच्या जोडीदारासह आणि खालील वेब पूर्ण करा. Beggars activity that changed Meena's attitude. Playing happily in the street. Always happy. Being satisfied. Not caring about the rain and hunger. अशा प्रकारे हा वेब आपल्याला कंप्लीट करायचा होता. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. A. Write in your own words. How did Meena show her gratitude to her guru? तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात लिहा मीनाने तिच्या गुरुप्रती कृतज्ञता कशी दाखवली. Answer. Meena showed her gratitude to her guru by paying for the education of his granddaughter after his death. Question number 5B. Why would Meena be sad initially? Give reason. Pick out sentence from the story which prove that Meena was a pessimist. मीना सुरुवातीला का उदास असेल? कारणे द्या. कथेतून सिद्ध करणारी वाक्य निवडा. मीना निराशावादी होती. Answer. She was forever unhappy. Whenever author meet her, she would start to feel depressed. Her gloomy and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. She never had anything positive to say about anything. She always had negative response to everyone and everything. She would be pessimist all the time. अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हा इथे आपला कंप्लीट झाला आहे. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 6. A. Find the antonyms of the following words from the story. हे काही पाठातील शब्द आहे, त्याच्या आपल्याला विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधायचे आहे. ऑप्टिमिस्ट, पेसिमिस्ट, डिझल, पुरिंग, न्यू, ओल्ड, lie, truth, ugly, beautiful, frowned, laugh, unhappy, happy, hill, paradise, disrespect, respect, unimportant, important. Question number 6b. Go through the point below showing Mina's encounter with the beggars that transformed her completely. The sequence of events are jumbled up below. Arrange the events according to the occurrence. Fill in the numbers as per sequence. मीनाची भिकाऱ्याशी झालेली भेट दर्शवणारे खालील मुद्द्यांवर जा, ज्याने तिचे संपूर्ण आयुष्य रूपांतर केले. घटनेनुसार घटनेची मांडणी करा व त्यांना क्रमानुसार संख्या लिहा. इथे आपल्याला खाली मीनाचे आयुष्य वर्णन करणारे काही मुद्दे दिले आहे. त्या मुद्द्यांना आपल्याला घटनेच्या क्रमानुसार त्यांना नंबरिंग द्यायचे आहे. सो फर्स्ट आहे हे, सेकंड नंबर, थर्ड नंबरची घटना आहे, फोर्थ नंबर अँड 5 नंबर. तर अशा प्रकारे मी या घटनांना नंबरिंग नुसार लावलेले आहे. त्याचबरोबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आपला इथे कंप्लीट झाला आहे. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. How did the beggars change Mina's attitude towards life? Write it down in 5 to 6 lines. One is done for you. इथे आपल्याला भिकाऱ्याने मीनाचा जीवनाकडे पाहण्याचा दृष्टिकोन कसा बदलला हे 5 ते 6 ओळींमध्ये लिहायचे आहे. Answer. The incident made Meena to look at her own life. She realized that she had many comforts of which they had known. They knew who to be happy with life as is what. She found that she had more to be grateful for than most people could imagine. She felt ashamed of herself. She decided to change her attitude towards her life. अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इथे आपला कंप्लीट झाला आहे. पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Summarize the story with the help of the points given below. A. Mina's initial attitude. B. Mina's meeting with Sudha Murthy in Mumbai. C. Beggar's incident. D. Change in attitude. खालील दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या मदतीने कथेचा सारांश द्या. सो आन्सर, पहिला मुद्दा आहे मीनास इनिशियल ॲटिट्यूड. मीनाचा सुरुवातीची वृत्ती. आन्सर, initially Meena looked at life in a negative way. He lived alone in an apartment and led a comfortable life because of her pessimism. People avoided her. Then she was transferred to Mumbai. Second मुद्दा आहे B. Meena's meeting with Sudha Murthy in Mumbai. The writer met her in Mumbai after many years. He was reluctant to speak with her, but Meena insisted. Sudha Murthy was surprised to see a vast and remarkable change in her attitude. The writer was surprised and asked Meena what had brought about the change in her. See beggar's incident. Meena said that a beggar who lived on the footpath opposite her house has changed her. He always played happily with his granddaughter, although he did not even get enough food to eat. Meena would give them the leftover food. Observing his life, Meena was forced to look at her own life and she felt ashamed of herself. The change in attitude. Meena realized that she had many things that she beggar did not have. She had nothing to complain about, so she decided to change her life. It took her 2 years to change her attitude and develop a positive attitude towards life. Question number 9. Write the above summary making Meena the narrator. Begin with I work in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. Answer. I work in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. I live alone in an apartment and my parents live in Delhi. I was only one friend. Sudha and me made almost every week. After some day, I realized that Sudha tried to avoid me. I would not understand the reason then. I shipped to Bombay. A beggar and his granddaughter live across the street and I always say they from my window. They used to play with each other happy. I give them the afterward from my house. They would eat the food I give and sleep on the footpath. Their life forced me to look within myself. I realized that I always complained about life. In fact, I had so many things that the beggars and his granddaughter did not have. Yet I thought that life was unpleasant. I decided to change my life and it took almost 2 years. Many years later, I saw Sudha in Bombay and no wonder she tried to avoid me. I knew the reason then, so I won't force her to join me for tea so that we could chat. She was reluctant in the beginning, but she arranged. I would notice that she was surprised to see the change in me and asked the reason. I told her how a beggars and changed my life. I repaid my guru, the beggars, by supporting his granddaughter education after his death. अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 आपला इथे कंप्लीट झाला आहे. त्याचबरोबर लेसन नंबर 3.2 अ लेसन इन लाईफ फ्रॉम अ बेगर या पाठाचा वर्कशॉप ही आपल्या इथे कंप्लीट झाला आहे. परत भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला कसा वाटला कमेंट्स बॉक्समध्ये नक्की कळवा. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा आणि जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थी मित्रांपर्यंत शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ फ्रेंड्स.